Synchronize. So the camera's been elevated. This is a new camera. Hopefully this one actually records sound. I haven't done these videos in a while because they got boring, both for me and I think for you. So now the idea is, well, why do I spend time introducing a concept, struggling to do a concept, spending 2 or 3 hours editing it all together to have nothing? What I'm going to do now is shorten the videos, make them more interesting, hopefully, and under 5 minutes, do the project in advance, then show you it working, because that saves so much time in editing. So I've already finished the project for today. This is a fan. I had another fan, older, had this as the cover. Ominous that I have the cover but not the rest of the fan, because I do have the rest of the fan, you just can't see it. It burned out. Why? Well, this was the motor in it. It's a little AC motor. Interesting to see what it looked like in that it's basically a transformer, loops around and has this little thing that spins. It's kind of nice. All it does is just have AC and a little permanent magnet in there. This is burnt out. Didn't work anymore. So I figured, well, I could fix it. But I also didn't think I could fix it because I'm kind of a stenod, so I bought a new one. And well, modern times have progressed. I had that thing before college, and this literally has a USB. What am I, a computer? This is basically a PC fan. In like the fan that used to have a beefy AC motor. This thing weighs more than like 3 of these. This thing weighs more than like 3 of these. I mean, it works. You plug it in. I don't know if I trust plugging it in a computer. And you get some nice air. Actually, that is as powerful as the AC one was, which makes this entire operation very unimportant in that I figured, well, this is an AC motor. I'm sure I can get an AC motor on the internet. This fan costs $10. I bought another one of these for $10, but since I can't measure size, I bought the wrong size. In that, I bought a bathroom fan, which is for the bathroom vents, which is very similar in appearance on Amazon, but about twice the size. So, I built it. As you can see, this was the top. It doesn't fit in there anymore. Likewise, this didn't work because the RPM on this is too low. That is the guts of the fan. I rewired it, so it's all the same switch, all the same cord, saving money, and then a bunch of wood gluing a giant AC motor through this thing to a centrifugal fan made out of a plate and several pieces of broken metal that I found on the ground outside from like a broken car muffler and like fish tank tubing to make it soft. And yeah, that's a plate, and I burnt a hole in it because this is now a centrifugal fan. Air goes in the center, and then this part spins around, and the air goes, and then it goes logarithmically. I didn't actually do the logarithmic measurements because why bother? And it goes out. So that, theoretically, can make a powerful fan, as opposed to this, which spins and kind of directs the air up and toward you, which not how this one works. The trick is don't have your finger in it when you turn it on, because there's both AC and moving parts. It makes a pleasant whirring mechanical sound. Air comes out this hole. You can see it does spin, and it, I don't know how I can show you air blowing. Ah, air blowing. Whee! This one also kind of does the same thing, I think, or should. Don't tilt on me. See? That one can't even make the fan spin. So look at that. I have completely repaired a broken fan simply by replacing the burnt out original motor with a much larger and worse bathroom vent motor that I got for $10 and strapping it to a bunch of spare scrap I found. I call this a smashing success, and this video is one take with no need for edits.